This is a bestsellers dashboard, and the idea is that you can put this up on a screen in your office, warehouse, or whatever, and this will show the current sales numbers for the current day, and it'll refresh in real time throughout the day, and it'll show you, it'll rank the products based on how they're selling, and you'll see revenue numbers, units sold, type things. So this is a cool use case for our web request feature, which is what's giving us this public facing URL that can be accessed. In this case, it's going to be a private URL that you're not going to share publicly, but you can use for your team. And the way the workflow works, we've got a workflow here that's saving the line items to our database. And then let's look at the data. Let's take a look at that data. So we're saving the data here, and then we're querying it here in order to grab the bestsellers. And we're cheating right now. We're grabbing all data. We're not actually grabbing for the current day because my demo store wouldn't look very interesting with just the current day's data. And yeah, so we just built out some HTML here for this guy. We could spruce this up a little bit too if you have any tweaks you'd like to see to this. Let me know. But yeah, that's pretty much how it works. You can head on over to the automation demo section of the blog, and you can grab these workflows here to try it out for yourself. Take her for a spin. All right, I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you soon.